Today we're going to find out how to apply Anveya Colorisma, a brand new temporary hair color range like no other. Step 1. Detangle and section your hair. Step 2. Squeeze out the desired amount of color from the tube. Step 3. Apply color to the hair strands with your fingertips. You can build up the color as and when you wish. The fragrance is just too good. Here is a quick tip. It's ideal to air dry your hair, but if you're in a hurry, you can use a hair dryer, just like I did. And you're all done. How much time did it take? It hardly took 10 minutes and we're ready to go. Wait, did I tell you how easy it actually is to wash off the color?